He's so cute.
Did you know that when comparing a pony to a standard-sized horse, ponies are actually stronger pound for pound? Although ponies' teeth take up more space in their head than their brain, ponies are actually highly intelligent and have an amazing memory. Believe it or not, chickens are very intelligent animals. They learn from one another, such as a chick learning from her mother which foods are good to eat. In fact, chickens are able to recognize over 100 different individuals after being separated for extended periods of time, highlighting their long-term memory capabilities. Did you know that when baby chickens are born, they're called chicks, and they're born with one tooth? It's hard work for a baby chicken to hatch, so chicks eat the yolk inside the egg to give them enough strength to use their one tooth, called an egg tooth, to break free of their shell when the time comes. Goats were one of the first animals to be tamed by humans and were being herded 9,000 years ago. Goats, being mountain animals, are very good at climbing. They've been known to climb on top of trees and even dams. Llamas are smart. Llamas are able to learn to understand and perform basic tasks. Scientists even taught llamas how to use a mirror.
She's pushing you.
Oh, push, Mia, push.
Push, Daddy, Mia, push. Woohoo! Class!
She's coming in fast.
Gotta get up here and wait for us, okay? What color should I do?
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, you ready? You're gonna jump. Oh! Mia.
Daddy, daddy.
Mia, Mia.
Daddy.
Yes.
Happy me.
Teeth.
Hey!
Hey.